And then we found a wedding dress.
Bruh, I'm over here.
Bet you ain't gonna do that to Bo.
I'm like wondering where he's at. I'm searching for him.
Lord.
How did he get back there?
He squeezed back there with a
The
little
first
tap.
place I looked was
Hey,
between there.
guys, what you doing? You been lying, I would never knew.
I thought you were in Rihanna's room. I thought you were in hey.
Y'all, my little here behind the dang on deep freeze.
Oh, you're dirty
I
now.
heard some.
He got that roast powder on him. I hope he won't back there.
Easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
We recorded this whole time. So they could have saw me in my prom dresses.
Y'all will see her again, and maybe I'll win rehearsal, a reception, something. Who
I got
knows?
3, and I could still fit all of them.
I am going through this hall closet.
And then we found a wedding dress.
And I'm going through stuff that for the pink fit, stuff that I can't fit, stuff that I just don't want, that I don't want for him. I'm donating to him.
They can't hear or see you.
They can see me right here. They can hear me. Now I'll put the caption on the screen, y'all. So that's what I've been doing. Okay, I need you to hold that. You said you want this jacket.
That's Rihanna's.
Your mama said she didn't want those Saint shirts.
Oh, these are comfy. Oh, wow.
You know y'all rain jackets.
That's got washing.
You got rain jackets.
Oh, I was looking for this. I remember last time I wore this, I had first came home from MC, and I forgot I had put money in the inside coat, and Rihanna had wore it, because that was right when it had flooded down the street. Rihanna wore it, and she said, "Oh, I got a $50 bill in this jacket pocket," and I was like, "It's mine, thank you." Those are the days, man. When it used to actually be cold enough to wear that.
I forgot to put it back in this box. I knew for some reason I was having a lot of extra space that I ain't supposed to have.
I did not like this before, but I kind of like it now. It's not an everyday thing, though. Your camera's shaking.
My camera what?
Shaking.
What?
I think those are Rihanna's, huh?
You keeping that jacket? Or you keeping it up?
This?
You keeping it out? Rosie, what you doing? Alicia found her jacket. What you doing?
Get me out.
Oh yeah, these real. I can't fit these. These ones join like a child. I can't get a body an inch in this.
My waist my waist doesn't fit with my butt and nose. Like, you know how you have like a little gap? I have a little gap in the back.
You know, look at Philip little bow tie. He still can fit this bow tie too, y'all.
This is huge though.
That's the one Talia used to use when she first met Greg and used to go spend the night. Remember? That used to be her.
I don't want it.
It wasn't that she didn't have nothing but clothes in it.
You can have it.
She ain't had nothing but
I don't want
clothes.
it. I'm good.
This was just her overnight bag.
Yeah, I'm good. You know what that's called, right? It's called a hoe kit.
Not necessarily.
It's called
It's overnight bag.
No, Mama, it's called a hoe
What she
kit.
supposed to have did?
Because she never unpacked this bag. It is called a hoe kit.
So what she supposed to have did? Put it in a garbage bag, a Walmart bag? That's ratchet. That's what Deontay.
Mama, you know how every stripper got a stripper bag and they done never unpack it? They just add stuff to it?
I used to unpack my bags though. I always unpack mine.
Then it wasn't a hoe kit. It just stayed overnight.
I guess.
She just didn't unpack.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up.
It's in my room.
You look so good when you can
There's some curtains that I'm stealing.
I did. I just got this little 1% from Walmart, and it is so cute. Renante had got her one too, but it's just too short. I didn't think it was gonna be this short, but it is way too short for me. So I'm gonna give these to Alisha. And this one here is an extra large, but it'll fit her good. But it's just too short for me. And y'all remember I had got this, and I wore it once. I can't wear it anymore because it's too tight. It's way too tight. That'll look cute on her, but I guess she's trying on her stuff in the corner with her butt by the window.
Ain't nobody walking up the stairs.
See, that was so cute on you. And then the ones with the split and all that, them look real cute on you. Your butt look good on you.
No.
Your butt look real good in them. I just can't even.
Oh, they do got the split. Hey.
Yeah. Like I said, and I got those from Marshall. That's when y'all was going to get bathing suits and stuff, and I had purchased them from Marshall.
Oh.
Those are so cute, but I can't really.
I can wear this with my black. These look like the pants that I wore to awards night.
Yep. And y'all know she be talking about dressing up and going places and doing stuff and
Where I
looking
go?
cute. You said when I go somewhere, I'm gonna wear my clothes.
Where I go, but where I go though.
I don't know, probably same place I go.
I'm just gonna start I'm gonna start randomly going places. Like for no occasion, or just start dressing up for no reason. Goes to the grocery Walmart, dress up. Go put gas in the car, dress up. But every time I wear jean shorts in the house, everybody asks me, "Where are you going?"
Oh, that's
Where
how they
what
do
you
me.
doing? Where you
Soon as
going?
you put clothes on, where you going? I'm like, nowhere.
I like these. And I usually don't like prints.
And Alisha got stuff that she was donating with me too. This was initially her bag. So yeah, they got 2 bags that we'll be going to do.
Yeah, these are not gonna get over my thighs. These aren't. So you can try and get these until she'll probably take this one. Probably won't take
Yeah,
that.
but she don't wear them to work. I think them blue and white was look real cute for her wear to work.
But I take these. I take these. Okay.
And like I said, I just bought them blue and white ones, and I just bought these. Here. Well, not just, but I think I got these about 2 months back. And they are both really pretty. I just can't wear them.
Milo, keep behind the deep freeze.
Bruh.
I
Bruh, I'm over here, like, searching.
How he get behind a deep freeze?
I hear him.
He whining. Bet you ain't gonna do that in the bowl.
I'm like wondering where he's at. I'm searching for him.
Lord.
How did he get back there?
He squeezed back there with a little
The first
terrible
place
tail.
I looked was
Hey.
between there.
Guys, what you doing? You been lying, I would never knew.
I thought you were in Rihanna's room. I thought you were in hey.
Y'all, my little here behind the dang on deep freeze.
Oh, you're dirty
I
now.
heard some.
He got that roast pot on. I hope he went back there trying to eat it.
He wasn't.
Nah. Milo, how you even do that?
He really is shaking.
Milo, how can they just attempt to climb behind the deep freeze?
I mean, hey, at least we know he can go back there.
We do be calling him a little rat.
Yeah.
That's his name.
Oh. You had me worried. I was looking all over for you.
I always said, I think he's a rat.
I was looking all over for you.
So,
I looked in Brianna's room. I looked in my room. I looked
she
in
biting all
Mom's
that stuff
room.
off of them.
I even looked in Mama's room.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
Finally don't get enough. Finally being right riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
The more I look at that roast beef, the more I don't want it.
He don't want the roast beef. What you say about the roast beef?
Well, I look at it tomorrow, I don't want it. I'm just gonna put it back.
Look at Deontay cooking.
I'm glad they don't put a tax on sugar, because I'll be broke.
I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed. We love you all and thank y'all for coming along with us on this journey. Alright, y'all. I just got back in. I know I said I was closing the video out, but I'm gonna go ahead on and show y'all just what I got. And y'all already seen the close-up of what Deontay got. I got me another bag, but I just did the party size. We got 2 of these mega meals with the Salisbury steak. We're gonna have them this evening, me and Jordan. Y'all seen I had got one of these cinnamon toast crunch oatmeals. I had to get me some creamer. I got the French Vanilla International Delight. Jordan got him one of these Sunkist fruit punch. I got one of these juices, and he got him 2 plates because he had needed some when he get ready to cook on his channel and when he's plating his food up. And then, if y'all remember the haul yesterday or the walkthrough, I had picked up some spaghetti, but they had them mixed up. So they was the mini the mini spaghetti and meatballs, which the kids will still eat them, but these are the ones they'll eat. So I went on and just got, a 12 case of these. A case of these. Didn't go grocery shopping. Deontay did. So y'all get to see how he grocery shops. That video is on my second channel. I did not have a haul. I just did the grocery haul walkthrough because he was just trying to get in and put all his stuff up. And yeah. So he said next time, because he's been working he's been working overtime on both of his jobs. So he was like, he didn't properly have a chance to clean up. So I understand that. So he said next time he go grocery shopping, we can do a haul as well. But if y'all remember the last video, I told y'all I had got these for Philip. He, excuse me, he will eat some of these, but For the most part, the other kids will eat them, but these are the ones I had to get him. So now he is stocked back up on his spaghetti. And if y'all remember, I bought those spaghetti like what, back in March, I want to say. And he had maybe 10 left. And so he did real good. And I tell y'all, he don't eat them all the time. And Mama did eat her some cream of wheat today. So yeah, and I did fix the standoff a little bit. I didn't do a whole lot because when we came in, I was like exhausted, tired. But I have all of like the juices and the chips and stuff up here at the top because I was gonna put them towards the bottom, but our little Milo jumps on stuff now, and he'll been and ripped that whole bag open and been and ate all them chips. And so I got all of that stuff on top. We have the oatmeals, crackers, like all the box stuff over here. All the hamburger helper, the beans, the rice. I did keep those there. My Jiffy cornbread mix, which I will be making tomorrow with my cabbage. I have my rice in Ziploc bags. I just put them in there so they won't be falling over the place. I have my taco mix, my taco seasonings in this Ziploc bag, and the mashed potatoes, all of these, my rice, my spaghetti, and back here is my taco shells. And I tell you, I still have to get Philip some Jell-O, but I'm gonna get that when I go to the Walmart in Waveland because they was out of the Jell-O he get. And then, as you see, we still have more stuff on the second row, just like I had it before with the flour and pancake mix, rice, my sugars, all that. Everything is still basic the same. The bottom row, I gotta go get him some more flavored water, and that'll go down there with the dog's puppy food. So yeah, and of course, like y'all know, we do our cereal on top of the refrigerator in our cabinets. I do have to go through Monday and go through these cabinets because I just kind of put stuff up here when I came back from the grocery store, and I have to kind of move around my stuff because it's not organized the way that I had it. But what I have to do is go over here in this cabinet. Y'all remember this was like my backup pantry. I gotta go over here and get some stuff from over here in this backup prepper pantry and put it over here. And then I'll move my tuna fish and my rice, the nacho cheese, all of that stuff. I'm gonna move over there to the prepper pantry, and then I'm gonna go stock back up on the basic canned goods and put them over there in that cabinet. So that way, you know, we kind of shift everything around. But I don't have to buy a lot. I was just gonna do 10 of each. I was gonna do 10 cream, 10 whole peas and green beans, and the stuff like that, mustard, mayo, ketchup, some more of these onion soup mix and stuff like that, and just like basic like taco sauce, pickles, relish, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna stock back up on that, and that'll probably be in like 2 weeks, you guys. And like I said, all of that'll go over here in this cabinet and in this cabinet here. And so, because like I said, y'all see we've been eating out of it. I still have some pineapples with like my greens and sweet potatoes, stuff like that. So yeah, and I do have to go get some more barbecue sauce because I've been forgetting that. But as far as like all my bouillon, I got the chicken and the tomato based one. I still have that. I still got my roux. I still have like all that stuff. So I'm good on that. I got the instant gravy thickener, and this one is for like a light roux. So I'm good on all that other stuff. And so I will be making another list, and like I say, in 2 weeks I'll go, and that's all that's gonna be is a proper pantry stock up. I won't have to buy any meats or nothing like that, any rice, sugar. It'll just be all canned goods. And you, all right, well, that is it, you guys. I'm about to get comfortable, put me on some jogging pants and wash my face and stuff, get this makeup off, because y'all know how I am when I get home. I get comfortable. So that's what I'm about to do. Get comfortable and relax. It just seems like it's been a long day. It's just been a long day. I worked all day. So I'm about to cut me some tomatoes up. We're gonna just do this tomorrow. Because we just gonna do that tomorrow. But like I said, I told y'all I had made tacos, so I'm about to make some tacos, a taco salad, and drink me some juice or something. And that's it. That's how we gonna do for the rest of the day. But tomorrow is gonna be tomorrow gonna be long. Jordan gotta film his video. And then I did one today. I still got videos to edit that I have to edit and get off my phone. So I'm probably gonna do that while I'm soaking in the tub. And I gotta do my cabbage, so I'm gonna cut my cabbage up in the morning. And I'm probably gonna defrost a pack of chicken. I can't defrost it now because I won't have anywhere to put the chicken in the refrigerator. Rihanna has work in the morning for 7, so I'll probably just take the chicken out when I drop her off at work. Because Jordan dropped her off this morning, so I'll drop her off tomorrow. And I'll just take the chicken out, get that defrost, make my cabbage and fry some chicken. Philip will be back tomorrow. They still over in Florida right now, so that's what he gonna have tomorrow. That's what we having for dinner tomorrow. But other than that, y'all, that's it. I'm about to get my laundry put up, or my kitchen, my bathroom stuff all put up in my room, and like I say, just relax for the rest of the day. But I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great evening. Be blessed. We love y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know that it's real. Please, please. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Christmas season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please the maker, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blue.